Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Today I'm going to show you how to make sea moss gel. This is just a video on how I make my own sea moss gel. So in this pan I have 4 ounces, which is about a quarter pound of dried sea moss. And that sea moss is sun dried. I am adding in some water to the pan, and I'm going to add about 10 cups of water. Be sure to use cold water for this step. Don't use hot water. So I'm going to let this soak for overnight. I let it soak for a maximum of 24 hours. I wouldn't suggest soaking it for more than 24 hours, but I believe I let this one soak for under 24 hours, probably about 12 hours. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your presence on my channel, and I do hope that you come back for some more videos. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time I post a video on my channel. I am cleaning my sea moss right now. So basically I'm going through each of the moss roots, and I'm just taking out any impurities, if there's any dirt or any crystals or a residue from the sea. I go in and I take it off. I try to remove it. I try to go through each to remove any of that residue, and you're gonna see I'm putting some of the residue over to the side, and you will see how the water looks after. If you would like to purchase your own sea moss, whether it be purple sea moss or golden sea moss, check out the link in the description section of this video. This is my affiliate link for the Embrace Pangea website. This website is definitely my go-to website for buying sea moss. I've been using them for almost a year now, and they have never ever disappointed me. So please check out the Embrace Pangea website if you would like to purchase your own sea moss. Another reason I like making my sea moss from scratch is it's better, it's fresher, and you know where your sea moss is coming from. I know that there is pre-made sea moss gel readily available on the market, but I don't know. I'm not saying don't trust the people who sell it, but I'm just saying I think that it's better to make your own from home. And it is super simple. It is time consuming, but it is a super simple recipe to follow along. So I'm just about done with my sea moss, cleaning out my sea moss. I'm just about done with it. And as you guys could see, you definitely got a lot out of just 4 ounces of sea moss that was used. This is definitely a lot because you really want to make sure you rehydrate that sea moss with that water. I know some people use distilled water or drinking water for soaking their sea moss. But I just prefer using boiled water because the area I live in, the water quality seems to be of good quality. So hence the reason for me just using boiled water. But suit yourself, suit your preference, whichever kind of water you're comfortable using, that's fine. 10 cups. I added 10 cups of water to the pan with the sea moss again this time, and I put it on medium heat. When you are cooking sea moss, you want to make sure that you have a heat level that is between low and medium, because you do not want to put the heat too high, which can cause it to burn. I actually have burnt my sea moss before, so to avoid that from happening, you want to make sure that you have a nice medium to low temperature set on your stovetop to cook your sea moss. And you also want to stir your sea moss after every 5 to 10 minutes of it boiling on its own, to avoid any sticking happening at the base of the pan. So this is basically after about 30 to 45 minutes of boiling. As you guys can see, the water has reduced, but you would know your sea moss is ready when there's little to no roots left in the pan and everything is fully dissolved. That's how you know when it's pretty much done. So I let it boil for about 35 minutes to an hour, and this is This is the end product. As you guys can see, it formed its own gel. That's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in for this episode of Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Madame Sophie channel for some more videos. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye.